Good day everyone, this is a video on how to make your beautifully looking Instagram quiz reels. They will be in the form of videos, so I'm going to show you how to make a video and then you can export it from Canva and upload it to the platform of your choice. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, whatever you prefer. So now let's start by typing quiz into the search bar. So just keep in mind it's supposed to be a template, so don't change anything. Click on this quiz search, and now Canva has multiple presets that you can use for your quiz. Also keep in mind that some quizzes here are already in a form of videos and some are not, right? So for example, let's say I will probably choose this one. I'm going to use this one, but I'm just going to hover my mouse over it. As you can see, it's not giving me any sort of playback like a video would. So it's just a static picture, which you can then after convert easily to a video. So if, for example, you really like some template on Canva that's in a form of a photo, you want to then convert it into a video, you can do that, right? So for example, this one is a video already. It's animated beautifully, but I'm gonna use this one and I'm gonna turn this picture into a video. So click on it. Now you need to press customize this template and you taken to a page with a editor where all the magic happens and where you can mess around, add it however you like. And this is where we're gonna do our work, right? So now let's begin. First, I'm gonna change the text. So as a quiz example today, I'm gonna choose what is the capital of Norway. Just a quiz example. You can make it anything you want. And I'm gonna input a possible choices, right? You can change the font size if you're curious in here. I'm just gonna make it just a bit bigger for these choices here. Set it to 40 so that everything fits in properly. Right, now let's say, for example, Reykjavik. Let's drag it so that it fills in and fits into the button like this. Now let's say Amsterdam and let's say Oslo. So as you can see, one of the buttons has a different color. I will actually remove this and we're gonna have a separate picture in the video that will come after this. So this one is gonna be without the answers, right? This is gonna be a part where a viewer has to think, right? What is the correct answer? And I'm gonna give it like say 15 seconds. You can give it 10 seconds, whatever time you want for a person to think. And then this picture will swap into another picture in the video. And that second picture will reveal the proper answer, right? The correct answer. So I'm gonna change this background to the same as everything else, all right, and these little buttons as well. This is just a preset that's like this. You can choose the one that's animated already if you don't want to add any of this, right? So as you can see, these are just answers. So this is what it's going to look like approximately. Let's delete this. So it's time for quiz. What's the capital of Norway? And now we have different choices, right? So next, what we're going to do, we're going to turn this picture, right, because this quiz template is a picture, we're going to turn it into a video. Okay, so there's a button called magic switch. Click on it. It's on the top left. And now as we're making a reels for Instagram, we're going to choose mobile video. You can also choose this Instagram post, but it's not a video, right? So just use mobile video. As you can see, it has a vertical resolution for smartphones. This is what we are looking for. Click continue. Now click copy and resize, and now click on open mobile video, which is a already made for us video by Canva, right? So basically the image that we had is now converted to a video, right? So I'm gonna change it up a bit. I'm gonna change this background. I'm gonna just you can either delete it and then add another background. I'm just gonna make it black, and now I'm gonna go to elements. I'm gonna type in texture. Now I'm gonna choose something like this one, for example, right? All right, let's just leave it as it is. I'm just gonna make it like this. You can swap the background to anything you want. You can make a photo. Actually, let's switch it up a bit and let's add a ice cream photo to the background. I'm just gonna choose this one. I'm just gonna make it a bit bigger. Now you want to have it not cover our whole video, like these buttons and everything and the quiz itself. In order to change this, just click position and press backward until it's in the back of everything else. You see, now we have it in the background just like it's supposed to be. So next, how to make the correct and incorrect answers, right? So basically we're gonna duplicate. As you can see, there's a player here that we have our photo converted into a video, and we have a player, like a little editor here. So basically what you want to do is right click on this piece of video here, press duplicate, right? Let's make this say 15 seconds for the person to think on the answer. And this one is gonna be, well, about 5 seconds. Let's make it 10. for example. And now what we need to do is you do not touch this one. This is just going to be where the question of the quiz is, and this is where we're going to show where the correct answer is, right? So let's say we need to visually show the person that's watching which of these are wrong answers, right? So let's just type X mark, and we're gonna add this X mark here, make it smaller. So capital of Norway is Oslo, so that's the correct answer. Let's take another one and place it onto the Amsterdam. So these are two incorrect answers, and they are displayed as incorrect by using this X mark. Now to display correct answer, we need a green check mark. Let's use this one, for example, doesn't matter. Let's make it smaller, and as you can see, now we have a full quiz basically finished, right? So I'm gonna add some music. So you want your quiz to be more just kind of beautiful, you want to make it sound, so you could just go to elements. If you want to add some music, I suggest adding music in general. Just go to elements, type in, let's say, relaxing music. Now you see there's different categories here, so we need sound, audio, select audio, and here you have different songs and tracks that you can use for your quiz. You can preview them by clicking on them. Let's choose this one, garden. You want to click on it and drag it down here. So here in the editor we have a video part. This is the video section, and this is the audio section. So as you can see, our track is way longer than the quiz, but the editor has already done the job for us, and as you can see, it's precisely in the length of our quiz, right? So 25 seconds precisely. So you don't even have to do anything, right? So let's just play our quiz now, and now it's gonna change into the correct and incorrect answer. So this is just a question now, and now it's gonna change into the final part, right? And now it's basically finished. You can just export it and upload it to Instagram. So this was a tutorial on how to make your Instagram quiz reels on Canva. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.